New trading apps put to the test. Cody Willard of Marketwatch.com is Skyping with us this morning. Good morning.
Hi, thanks for having me back.
You tested several trading apps used by pro traders that anyone can use on their smartphones or tablets. What was your favorite?
The first one I like so much, I actually even went out and bought the company. It's called Scudify. It is by far the most value-add social network you'll ever use in your life.
You also tell us Bloomberg and Zillow handled well.
Yeah, Bloomberg, I think everybody knows the name, but if you haven't used their app, you really ought to. It's not quite as good as their old terminals back in the day when everybody on Wall Street needed a Bloomberg terminal, but you've got to have a Bloomberg app on your phone. And then Zillow, I know it's a real estate app, but I love using it wherever I am in any kind of neighborhood, any kind of town. You pull up and you look at the comparables out there that are selling, and you get an idea of what the valuations are.
Aren't there hundreds of other apps to choose from?
There are hundreds of apps out there that are good for investors. I've tried to whittle through them all and bring you the best three.
What was your standard of testing?
Well, I use all three of these myself regularly, and that's really what the filter was. I downloaded hundreds of apps and used them as much as I liked to. And the ones that really sorted through the crowd, filtered through the crowd that I used on a daily basis, and now I continue to use on a daily basis, those were the ones that I featured.
You mentioned Scudify. What other trader app-related stocks are out there?
Yes, the app revolution is here. It's playing out in front of you. Zillow is a publicly traded company. Yelp is another app company. Priceline is another app company. You've got a lot of big cap companies out there that are all about apps.
Thanks for being with us, Cody.
Hey, thank you, Angie.